So guys, I just took this sell on GBP USD. Today is Monday, the first day of the week. This is the trade here on Maven. This is the trade on Maven Profit, and my stop loss is somewhere around here. It's quite decent, very far. But I think I'll be managing this trade properly, in the sense that I might close my stop loss, or I might close my losses before it gets to this stop loss I set here. So that's what I'll be doing. For this trade, I reduce my risks, and this is the reason I reduce my risks. This is a reversal setup, and the probability of a reversal setup tends to drop, so I just had to reduce my risks, but not much though. My moderate risk is $50, but for this trade I'm losing $40 if it hits full stop. But I don't think it's gonna hit full stop, because I'm ready to close it short if I see that price is not responding from this reversal point. So let's see how this trade is gonna be. This is the first trade for the week. Let's see. GBP USD, I've noticed it tends to move around that 3-4 o'clock, and right now the time is 2:45. So I just noticed that type of pattern with GBP USD in particular. Unlike gold can move 12, 11. Like gold is very versatile, but GBP USD have some certain times it gains volume, then most times it tends to be slow. So let's just see how this trade is going to be at the end of the day. Damn, man, damn, I got fried today. So the market just stopped me out, but before the market got to my stop loss, I had already closed my trade manually. So overall for today, I lost $3. I'm even pissed with myself why I didn't close this earlier, like around 25, 26. But nevertheless, I got lost short today. So I'm done for today. I'll come back tomorrow and see how I gonna vibe with the market again. Today I got cooked, first day for the week. Even last week on Monday I got cooked, same GBP USD. But let's see how tomorrow is gonna be. Gold was the best pair for today. I was waiting for a pullback to here, but you see the market kept on pushing and went up, so I didn't find any opportunity on gold. But we'll come back tomorrow and trade again. For this account of Maven Challenge I'm trading, I'm down 2%. Right now the current balance is 9,801. I'm down 2%, and just between last week and this week I'm down 2%. Though I've been risking $50 on each trade, so it's obvious, because I've lost 4 trades in a row now. So let's see how tomorrow is gonna be. I pray we end the week positive. So guys, today is Tuesday. I didn't end up taking any trade. Now the time is 3:07 and the news just popped up. I was waiting for price to come to this point of interest, which was here, but you can see when it got to 3 p.m. when I leave the chart, that's when price shot down to my point of interest. So I'm not interested in the market for today. I'm coming back on Thursday because I don't trade tomorrow, Wednesday. Then the trade I took yesterday, let me show you what really happened yesterday. This was the trade. Like, it's so crazy. After price stopped me out yesterday, this is it went for about 1:2. You can see that's my average risk to reward ratio, like 1:2. Majority of the time I'm out, and you can see immediately price just stopped me out. But yesterday I was trying to go for 1:2.7. Is it 50 something? Yeah. So 1:2 yesterday. The market moved 1:2 around Asian section, though should have been a bad trade if I was still in the position. Nevertheless, but the market just stopped me out. Boom. When that particular point where my stop loss was placed, that's when the market turned. Boom, went straight down like in profit, man. That happens, and you need discipline to handle this type of thing. If you're liking this series, guys, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. I created this channel to document my trading journey. If you like what I'm doing, if you like how I show my losses, if you like how I'm transparent on this channel, because a lot of people are not transparent. They can't show you the losing side of trading. Me, I'm just the guy documenting my journey, telling people that, man, look at what I'm doing. see me as I do it. I'm showing you it's real. I'm showing what I'm doing. I'm showing my failures and success. At the end of the day, are all part of growth. So if you're liking what I'm doing, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. I'm going to catch the market on Thursday. For today, I'm done. I'm done. Right now, I'm not in our house. I came to our old apartment. That's why you can see the background so different. I came to my old apartment. So I'm going to catch the market on Thursday. Man, this market did me. And this same thing happened on Monday. Damn, this same thing. But I'll catch the market on Thursday though. So guys, today is Thursday and I just took a trade on gold right now. I think it's floating negative at the moment, but let's see at the end of the day. This is the trade. I took the trade here. My stop loss is here. I'm risking $49 for this trade. My TP is somewhere around here. So let's see how this trade is going to be at the end of the day. I'm still 1-0 down for the week. I lost the trade on Monday and ever since then I've not taken any trade. So this is the second trade for the week. Let's see how this trade is going to be. But man, this thing is retracing against me. And damn, this is a kind of reversal trade, but it meets a lot of criteria I like to see. That's the reason I took the trade. The best setup for today was GJ, and just take a look at what GJ did. I was waiting for price to come back to this point to buy it. Then my target was here, but price just ran to my target without even giving me a confirmation. But let's see for good. But I think that GJ was the best trade, to be honest with you. Let's see for good. Let's see how good it's going to be at the end of the day. You can't tell how the market is going to act. You just need to look for your setup and take it. So guys, I lost the trade, but this is what happened here. When I took the trade here, I took the trade at this point. I was waiting for this break of candle. I took the setup and my stop loss was $50. But I ended up closing this trade at $45. So I saved like $5 for today, and that's just part of my plan to cut my losses short, even to save even $1. Saving $1, when it compounds, it can become something big. And you can see at the end of the day, price still ended up hitting my stop loss, and I lost this trade. So this is the second loss for this week. Let's see how tomorrow is gonna be. For today, I'm done. But to be honest with you, the best setup was GBP/JPY. Like you can see, GBP/JPY moved over 50 pips. I was just waiting for price to tap this point of interest, then I take that buy to the upside, and this was my target. And you can just see when 2 p.m. just arrived, price just ran straight to my target. Bam! The best setup. I missed it, not because I was scared of taking the setup, but because it didn't meet my criteria I was waiting for. So I'm done for today. I'm going to catch the market tomorrow, last day for the week. Let's see if I can catch a setup tomorrow, because if I can win a trade tomorrow, I'm going to end this week profitable. But if I lose the trade tomorrow, then it's a bad week. Let's see how tomorrow is going to be. So guys, today is Friday and I just took this sell on GBP USD. This is a reversal trade. Man, this is a reversal trade. This type of trade tends to have low win rate. So what did I do? I reduced my risks for this trade. Overall for this trade, I'm risking around $33. So if this trade hits my full stop loss, I'm going to be risking $33. So let's see how this trade is going to be at the end of the day. This is the last day of the week, and if I take a loss on this trade, overall for this week I've lost $100, because overall for this week I've lost somewhere around, I think somewhere around $100, because on Monday I lost $33. The second trade I took, I lost $45. Then this one I'll be losing $30 something. So overall it's like $100, and normally my moderate risk is $50. So what I normally do is this: I look at the setup. I try to be flexible with my risks. I look at the setup and perceive how the probability nature of this setup is. Then from there, I'm going to determine the type of risks I'm going to use for that setup. Like the trade I was looking at for GJ, this is the trade. Let me show you the trade on GBP/JPY. I was waiting for a buy on GJ, and this was the best setup for today. But just look at what happened. Price didn't tap my area of interest. My area of interest was like 2 pips away from where price just turned. This was the setup. My area of interest was around here, my confluence zone. Then price just used this demand on 5 minutes. I spotted the demand before it happened, but my initial entry was supposed to be here, but price shot up. Like, even hit my target. My target was this yellow box, this yellow zone here on the higher time frame. That's already hit the target, so I'm not looking at it anymore. On this GBP USD, this is the only available setup, this reversal setup. Let's see how it's going to be. This is a low probability setup though, but at the end of the day, it's a low probability setup. That doesn't mean it can't work. Let's just see how it's going to be at the end of the day. So guys, this trade is in profit. Right now the time is 6 minutes after 7. Man, I've been holding this trade for 5 hours. You can see price was consolidating for like 2 hours. I was just stuck in the move. I'm fed up of this move. This is the longest move I've hold for a while. I've not experienced this type of move. It's been a long time I experienced this type of market move, because most times my trades average 1 hour. Like 1 hour time frame, I'm done, either stop loss or TP. But look at the trade right now. I'm in profit. I think I'm going to break even. I'm going to break even right now. Stop loss. Where is this section to break even? I think it's here. So I'm going to break even. Now my stop loss is at my entry. This is a risk-free trade right now. Let's see, because I think I might hold this trade till it gets to TP. This is my TP right there, and from the way I'm seeing the market, I think volume has entered the market. So let's just see if price can still push to the downside and hit my TP, or it's going to consolidate. If it consolidates, then by 9:30 10 p.m. I'm going to close this trade. 9:30 p.m. 10 p.m. I'm going to close this trade, because today is Friday. The market is going to close by 11:30. So I don't want a situation where I'll be stuck in a move throughout the weekend. I did trade, so why am I holding a swing move? So I'll close this move between 9:30 to 10 p.m. Sorry. Let's see how it's going to be from here. But I just pray it hit TP, because man, I'm fed up of this move. I'm going to update you guys. If I don't update you guys today, I'm going to update you guys tomorrow, Saturday, because on Saturday I do the summary for the week. So when I'm trying to summarize, or the process of summarizing the week, I'm going to update you guys on this trade. Let's see how this trade is going to be. So guys, I just closed the trade right now. I don't know, this is a trade here, $75. Then overall for this week, I ended a week with $1 in profit. Let's just say it's a break-even week. This is a break-even week. This is the trade. I closed the trade at 1:2 because I saw this low volume in the market. You can see the last 1 hour, the market has not been moving. The market just slowed down, and it's normal. The time right now is 8:13 p.m. London section is over, so you could expect the market to have low volume. I was even surprised when I saw this volume that puts me in profits, but it's a good trade. Let's see how Monday is gonna be, or next week. I'm coming back to the chart next week or Monday. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a breakdown, I'm going to be summarizing the whole week tomorrow. I think that video is going to last like 1 minute. The summary is not going to take long. I'm just going to talk about the week and everything that concerns my trading and how the week generally was. So overall, I made like $79 on this. This is the trade, $79, and it covered up for the whole losses for the week. The losses I took on Monday and Thursday. And I just repeated the same thing last week. Last week I ended the week with like 3 losses in a row. So this week, this trade just put me back in profit after 5 losses in a row. I just came out from losing streak. My last 5 trades before this one were losses, all back to back, and I just ended the losing streak. So let's see how next week is gonna be. For this week, I'm done. So guys, this is the P&L for this week. This week I took just 3 trades, one on Monday, one on Thursday, and the last one on Friday. And this week was quite a decent week. If I had held that trade of yesterday, then I think this week would have been a profitable week. But nevertheless, a break-even week is not a too bad week. At least I didn't end up losing for the week. So I'm going to come back next week and see what I can take from the market again. At the end of the day, you don't decide what you get from the market. The only thing you are in control of is your risks, how you manage your activities and your discipline, etc. So I'm going to catch the market next week. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. What I do on this channel is document my journey, and I'm going to catch you guys on next week's series. Peace and stay blessed.